Amongst the pioneers in the treatment of heart ailments in the country, the Armed Forces Institute of Cardiology and National Institute of Heart Diseases, located in Rawalpindi, has emerged as a cardiac center of excellence, with the ability to handle most phases of cardiac disorders, from the elementary to the latest surgical procedures. From a modest beginning as a cardiothoracic center at the military hospital in 1953, the AFIC and the NIHD can now boast of ultra-modern facilities for handling cardiac cases, all under one roof. Its highly qualified doctors provide a broad range of innovative treatments and management of patients with heart problems through a comprehensive cardiovascular program. Patients suffering from heart diseases receive professional handling at all stages. A dedicated team of doctors and nurses focuses on building and maintaining long-term patient relationships so as to become an essential resource for their well-being. The Coronary Care Unit is fully equipped to provide the best possible care to patients suffering from heart diseases. Patients who have suffered a heart attack are brought to the Coronary Care Unit and retained until they are stable enough to undergo further treatment. The doctors make certain that all patients are thoroughly examined and all tests conducted before proceeding with the treatment. A panel of doctors determines the merit of each case and recommends the surgical procedure to be adopted. The Department of Cardiology performs coronary angiography, angioplasty, and intracoronary stenting, besides a variety of other interventional procedures, including evaluation and management of all types of pediatric cases.
ये मेरा बेटा है, इसका नाम अहमद सुहेब है और इसकी उम्र 8 माह है। जब ये पैदा हुआ ऑलमोस्ट 2 माह बाद हमें पता चला कि इसका ये मसला है, इसका प्रॉब्लम इसके साथ ये है कि इसके दिल में सुराख है। हमें रेफ़र किया लोगों ने AFIC का, तो और भी मशवरे मिले हमें कि आप बेहतर से बेहतर जो है जगह ये है, आप इधर ले जाएं। बल्कि मुल्क से बाहर भी अगर आपको ट्रीटमेंट कराना पड़ा तो आप इसका ट्रीटमेंट मुल्क से बाहर भी अच्छा है। लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पे AFIC से सेटिस्फाइड थे और इनका पहले हमने यही सोचा कि पहले हम अपने मुल्क में दिखाएं, पाकिस्तान में। तो पाकिस्तान में सब ने कहा कि सबसे अच्छा इस वक्त बेस्ट जो हार्ट का जा रहा है वो AFIC है। और बस अल्लाह ताला से हमने दुआ की, भरोसा था, तो अल्लाह ताला ने इस ऑपरेशन को कामयाब किया। इस पर हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि अल्लाह ताला ने इस ऑपरेशन को कामयाब कर दिया। मतलब मैं कहती हूँ कि शुक्र है अल्लाह ताला के कि मैं कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ा और मेरे बेटे का ऑपरेशन जो है वो यहीं अपने मुल्क में कामयाब हो गया। जितना अच्छा यहाँ पे इसकी केयर हो रही है, जितना अच्छा ये सब देख रहे हैं, मुझे बड़ी उम्मीद है कि इंशाल्लाह 5-6 दिनों में ये बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगा और हम लोग खैरियत से अपने घर वापस जाएंगे इसको लेके।
The cardiology department has state-of-the-art equipment for checkups, as well as facilities for cardiac rehabilitation of post-operative and post-heart attack cases. The Department of Cardiac Surgery, that has the most modern operation theatres and equipment, can perform over 2,000 operations annually. These are coronary artery bypass grafting, including beating heart surgery, minimally invasive surgeries, valvular heart surgery, and surgical procedures for treatment of almost all congenital and other cardiac problems. its surgeons have successfully performed a large number of complicated operations of children suffering from different heart conditions.
This is a small baby who was brought to us 8 kilogram weight, and he had a complex heart disease by birth. That is, his aorta was on the anterior side and the lungs arteries were posterior, and at the same time the heart was completely rotated to the right side. He also had a big hole inside and the valves were also malpositioned. So it's a very complex nature of problem that we had to face, and I did a modified mustard operation in which I channeled the whole blood from the right side to the left side by using certain baffle inside the heart. And it was he had taken a very difficult post-operative course first, but now he's recovering much better. Actually, these complex cases are being handled in Pakistan, and as you have seen, there are quite a few cases routinely being operated, at least I can say with surety at our institute, with good successful results.
At the Intensive Therapy Center, a team of doctors and nursing staff is available round the clock to look after the patients. The Intensive Therapy Center has all the life-saving and care facilities required for post-operative cardiac patients. Every patient is monitored and provided individual attention. The departments of cardiac anesthesiology, cardiac perfusion, and pathology offer a high standard of support and diagnostic services. Equipped with the most modern machines, these facilities are a vital component of the organization. The Department of Nuclear Medicine is equipped to carry out the latest procedures, like the thallium scan for diagnosis of heart condition, and to determine the type of procedure necessary for treatment of the heart disease. The Department of Electrophysiology is the latest addition to the institute, and at the time of its establishment in February 2001 was the first such facility in any cardiac institute in the country. The electrophysiology laboratory, with its latest equipment, can carry out permanent treatment of conditions related to heartbeats, including placement of implantable cardiac defibrillators. The Biomedical Engineering Department ensures the serviceability and calibration of the sophisticated biomedical equipment in use at all times. Training and developing human resource is necessary to deliver superior patient service, and this is ensured through an in-house training program of doctors and the nursing staff. The Institute also runs specialized courses in different disciplines of cardiology for personnel of the armed forces, their counterparts in the civil hospitals, and doctors and nurses from other countries. A computerized database facilitates research and analysis that are essential to keep in step with the latest developments in the field of cardiology. The hospital maintains close liaison with internationally renowned cardiac centers for professional enhancement. Many of the cardiologists and cardiac surgeons of AFIC and NIHD are active in the field of cardiovascular research and contribute regularly to the literature in their field at international level. The smooth functioning of all the sections is made possible by an efficient administrative setup, which ensures that all administrative tasks are executed without delay and that there is no interruption in the flow of supplies. The untiring efforts of the administrative staff are instrumental in creating a caring environment. ISO 9001-2000 certification is a testimony to the organization's commitment to keep up the highest standards of quality. It is consistently investing in technology and infrastructure to match international benchmarks. The success rate of AFIC and NIHD remains at par with leading cardiac centers around the world. The AFIC and the NIHD has brought quality heart care within the reach of a broad segment of the population, which heretofore had been denied this critical facility because of prohibitive costs of undergoing heart treatment abroad.
हम हानपुर के रहने वाले हैं, मेरे मियाँ मजदूरी करते हैं और हमारा बच्चा बीमार हुआ है। हम टेक्सला हॉस्पिटल हम वहाँ लेके गए हैं उसको, और उधर से बोला है कि आप पिंडी बड़ा अस्पताल है हॉस्पिटल दिल वाला, वहाँ आप उसे लेके जाएं। और हम यहाँ उसको लाएं और यहाँ इन्होंने टेस्ट वगैरह किया और यहाँ का इलाज बहुत अच्छा, और मेरे बच्चे का ऑपरेशन हुआ। अल्लाह ताला का लाख लाख शुक्र है, अब मेरा बेटा सही है। हमारा ऑपरेशन ज़कात से हुआ है।